Hey guys, how is it going? Here is Max Rieve, and I'm going to demonstrate real quick my new preset pack. In this case, the Creative and Colorful presets. So we have a photo here, and I want to select one of my main presets on the left, 14 presets. In this case, we are looking at an autumn photo, so it's recommended to also use an autumn preset or something that is similar. So if you go for summer, for example, colorful summer, that will not really match because this preset is made to enhance the summer mood. We try to go for something like, well, Max Reef look, or maybe late autumn. So with late autumn, as you can see, the colors are warmer. So instead of waiting a few more weeks, if you want those colors, you can just use my preset. Alright, so we have selected one of my main presets, and well, now you're finished. Or you can also enhance it a little bit further with my light presets. I really recommend them, but again, it's up to you if you want to. If you want to enhance the light further, you can select an ND grad filter on the top for the sky, or you can also add a spotlight on a certain part of the photo. For example, here the sun is coming from the upper left, so you can add a spotlight filter on the upper left, or on the center if you want to. There are a lot of options. It's up to you how you want to enhance the light. I also have different filters for a horizontal image and vertical, because of course if you have a vertical one, the position of the filter should be a little bit different. So in this case we have a horizontal photo. For the sky it doesn't really matter. So I want to put a small ND grad filter on the sky because we have a small sky. The sky will be bigger, you want to use the bigger one. Small sky, normal, as you can see, I'm just hovering with my mouse, I'm not clicking. So this is small, and this is dark and normal, both on the small sky size. I go for a small. It's pretty dark, but it's okay because I'm still gonna add a bit more light. I go to my next step, that will be the spotlight. So spotlight horizontal, we're gonna use the horizontal one. And I can choose between normal and bright. Let's just check out the normal ones right here. So I want to add one upper left corner, and I want to do warm because it is where the sun is coming from. Here we have it. This is warm top center, now warm top left. So this is without, and it is with the light on the upper left corner. You can also check the bright one if you want to. Warm top left. So this is even brighter. I think the other one is good enough. Warm top left. Okay, so then I select that one. Now I can go further. So we're not gonna use a light from the side. Also not vertical because we have already done it on the horizontal image. And now I can, for example, go to exposure compensation. It's nothing special, but it's more easy to stay in this menu. I'm not gonna do that one. We can add a vignetting. There already is a small vignetting, but as you can see here, you can use a bit more. You can choose between different variants. So I will go for light version 2. And now I go to special effects. I can go, well, I'm not going to use any of those. Don't feel the need. I'm already happy with all those things. We can go to curves to make it a bit warmer. Here we have the curves. So let's go for, so we add a bit more contrast with the curves, as you can see. Okay, that was it.